There are no more beautiful and reliable plants for shade than hosta. Robust and easy to grow, hostas brighten areas with their wide varieties of color and style. Though best known for their colorful foliage, hostas can also offer bloom and fragrance. They will grow in containers or in the ground. They are rugged, low-maintenance plants and come in all sizes for all gardens, from miniature to massive. As well, they are compatible with other types of plants. They are disease-resistant and they'll last for decades. Here are strategies for a healthy hosta. Hosta prefer well-drained soils. When planting, space them to their spread at maturity. Make sure not to have too much sunlight. Protect against deer damage with some simple strategies. Create a living barrier around your hosta with shrubs deer rarely damage, such as butterfly bush and common boxwood. Create an obstacle course. They may be able to jump high fences, but slopes and stairs generally discourage deer. And finally, directly protect your hosta with Bob-X. Bob-X was rated #1 in an independent study conducted by the State of Connecticut Department of Forestry and Horticulture. It's easy to use, sprays on clear, won't burn plants or wash off in the rain. Eco-friendly Bob-X is made from ingredients that deer don't like the taste of. What's more, all Bob-X products are safe for people, pets, wildlife, and aquatic life. Spray Bob-X when hosta first emerges in the spring, about a ½ inch out of the ground. Then continue to spray on every 2 inches of new growth. During summer, spray in early morning rather than in the heat of the day. This is so you don't burn the leaves from the magnifying glass effect of the sun on the droplets. Some describe a hosta garden as an artist's palette, which is apt. The varying colors, leaf shapes, and patterns are feasts for the eyes. You can easily create this visual feast. Follow the tips in this video, protect your hostas with Bob-X, and you will have the ultimate hosta garden. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.